Welcome to Math 95. My name is Erin Wenner and I am your instructor. What we are looking at here is our home screen for our Eagle Online section. I just want to go through a few things that are important here that we're going to be using the most so you kind of have an idea of how to move through the course. I did send out an email before telling you to go to the Foundational Math Center to pick up your student notebook and get registered for my math lab. So my math lab is what we will be using for our homework, quizzes, and tests, and your student notebook will be something that you have to fill out and submit so that you can be graded for that. So the first thing I want you to do is look at changing your profile picture. So if we go and click on your name at the top, if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and click on your profile. And in here, this is where you'll be able to change your picture. Obviously, it says change picture. This is what I look like. Feel free to fill out some of the personal information if you want. And then when you're done, you'll want to press save. And the rest of the stuff I want us to look at, I'm going to choose the student view so that it matches what you will be looking at. So the next place you'll want to go to is to the content. And in the content here, you're going to see we've got our first week activities. So I want you to go to the Foundational Math Center. My office is actually 146. Hopefully when you look in here next, it'll say 146 and not 144. I apologize for that. Again, if you haven't gone to the Foundational Math Center to pick up your information, you need to do that and get registered for My Lab Math or My Math Lab. Please read the syllabus. I want you to contribute to the introduction discussion, complete the practice quiz in My Math Lab. You'll have to do that in the FMC because it's password protected. And then I want you to watch the Math 90 review videos and complete the Math 90 review worksheet that is in your workbook or your notebook. So you'll see listed under here, we've got a link to the introduction discussion. We've also got the Math 90 review module here. For all workbook pages, I do have additional blanks uploaded to Eagle Online, so you can always find copies of those if you're missing a copy or you lose your notebook. And if you are working through the Math 90 review and you don't remember how to do something, I've got a whole list of videos here that are going to help you with that. And then when you're finished, you're going to want to submit it to the assignment Dropbox. So when we submit our assignments, there's two ways we can do it. We can use the scanner in the FMC, or you can use your smartphone and Adobe Scan app to scan the notebook pages and convert them to PDFs and upload them. We also have in this list of information here a video by Eagle Online on how to submit assignments. So I do suggest that you go in and watch that. It's not very hard, but it just gives you a good idea of how to go about this process. So the process, again, when you're working in our regular units, so if we get into Unit 1A, you'll see this is the same instructions for everything. I want you to watch the videos associated with the section. I want you to complete your notebook page, upload a copy of your work as a PDF to the assignment box, and then I want you to complete the homework in My Math Lab. So after you've gone through all this process, uploaded your notebook page, you'll then go back to the course home and you will go through Red Shelf course materials. So I'm going to switch back to my instructor view because it's the only way I can get into Red Shelf. And we click on that. And then you're going to choose your class. So right now I'm talking about Math 95. So I'm going to view course materials. And then I'm going to launch the publisher's website. So again, the first time that when you go into the Foundational Math Center to get your notebook, the staff there will help you get all set up with this. Once we're here, we click Open My Math Lab in Mastering. And then from here, we should see our home page. And under our home page, you can see we've got assignments. And let's look at from the student view. This will help to, because we don't have anything that's started yet, it's not listing anything, but this is what it's going to tell you. It's going to tell you what to work on next. You can view all assignments. And then it's also going to tell you when you have stuff due. So on Wednesday, we've got all the stuff starts. So the Math 90 skill homework, 1A, 1B, 1C, and your practice quiz. If you look on Friday, it tells us that 1D is going to become available. And then we would click on here on your assignment list once they come up. Again, I'm recording this video the day before our class opens. I apologize. And then you will click on the homework assignment and go ahead and complete that homework assignment. Again, the process when you're done with once you are complete, make sure that you have done your notebook page and uploaded it, and then gone in and done the homework assignment. Please feel free to email me with questions. That's going to be the best way to get a hold of me. Don't hesitate to go into the FMC. The staff there are great help, and I look forward to working with everybody this semester.